Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today we are sat inside a Toyota CHR. One of the big problems with this car is the fact that it doesn't come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. However, as you can see, that is all changed. So this is actually utilizing the original screen. So this is really, really cool in terms of how this system works and operates. So there's a couple of things I just want to go through. You get volume control via the steering wheel, so volume up and down still works and operates on here. What we actually have to do on these CHRs is add in a little separate controller. So on this particular occasion, we've used this style of controller, which will basically have, it's a rotary style, it's very, very easy to use, and then you can click in and exit through and use the original system from the car. The choice of location for this controller is very much up to you. You get to choose exactly where you want it. There's quite a few different options that we can place this into the vehicle. The actual controller itself is a little bit bigger than this, but we've actually decided to flush this in. This is exactly where the client wanted. And what this means is basically that you can actually have full access to Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay all through this original screen. So the really cool thing about this is the fact that you've got retention of all the original systems. So this is the original screen, nothing's changed here. The way the kit gets sound through the CarPlay system is basically when you go into audio, and you've basically got everything set up here. So literally all you do to access the CarPlay system is go across and then when you go into media, and then it will come up and show on here. So you've got the AV input selected, and then you can go through and scroll through to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Currently we've got an iPhone connected just for demonstration purposes, but this does obviously work for Android Auto as well. But this gives you access to things like Waze, Google Maps, your phone calls, your text messages, WhatsApp, so much interaction into the car from your phone. It means that you're not touching the phone. It means that everything is then safe, but very, very intuitive system to be able to be used. And the nicest thing about everything is that you've got full control via an original touchscreen. So it's in a nice location and also is very simple and easy to control. So this is where the client wanted the controllers. That's where we've placed it. But yeah, we can customize that to wherever you want in the vehicle. But overall, a really cool little solution that's added in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto into the Toyota CHR. If you are interested in having this same system installed into your vehicle, feel free to drop us a message. Head over to our website, submit an inquiry form on there. We'll come back to you with some ideas on pricing and also get you booked in from there if you're happy with everything. Our install takes pretty much a full working day to be carried out from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So you drop the car off. We also have the option for you to take a hire car if you are based a bit further afield, or spend the day in Cambridge while we're working on the car and upgrading it. But the main thing is that the install is done to the highest possible standards and also partly customizable with that controller location exactly where you want it. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the upgrade on the Toyota CHR, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.